Hello, hello, hello. This is Herbert Sweet for Days from the good old Bajan cookery group. I'm so fussy today. I'm so happy today. You know why? Because I'm doing Bajan bakes. I'm starting my bakes with some flour, some silk flour, about 3 cups of silk flour that I'm starting my Bajan bakes with. I'm gonna add my sugar. You add half cup of sugar, quarter cup of sugar, depends on how sweet you want your bakes. I add my sugar. I'm gonna add some vanilla essence, or you can use mixed essence if you want to. You can use mixed essence or vanilla essence, or you can use some coconut essence if you wish. But this is how I'm preparing my bakes. I'm gonna mix in that little stuff I add there. I'm gonna add some baking powder. I don't really add baking powder, but this one I'm gonna add a little baking powder to it. Add my baking powder, and I'm gonna use a little nutmeg. I'm gonna grate my nutmeg in there. I use half a nutmeg. I use half of that nutmeg. So I'm gonna stir it in, and then I'm gonna add my water. Here I will add my water. And I'm going to mix this in. Mix it in till it become a smooth paste. Now when you mix your batter. Your batter has finished. You start to prepare your pan to fry your bakes. And this is how your batter should be, a smooth consistency, not too wet, not too dry, not too firm, but not too firm. You need a little runny to drop your bakes. It's the consistency you want in your bakes, your good old Bajan bakes. But this one is making with baking powder. I don't even use baking powder, but I'm using baking powder in this bakes today. It's after 3 in the morning. I'm quite hungry and I'm making some bakes for breakfast. Okay, my pan is hot and I'm gonna add some olive oil, some 100% pure olive oil. I'm cooking with olive oil today. I would normally use some avocado oil, but I'm using olive oil today. Now my pan is hot. Oil has been heated, and I'm going to drop my bakes. See, it's bubbling. Make sure your pan is hot. And I'm going to drop my bakes. You can drop these bakes as big as you want them. You can drop them big, you can drop them small. I'm dropping some big ones. But you can drop them how you want them. I'm dropping big ones, so 4 is going to hold in my pan because I'm dropping big ones. Don't allow your bakes to burn. When they get a nice golden brown color, you just turn them. Don't allow them to burn. Don't fry them in too much oil, as this has baking powder, and the baking powder will suck in the oil, so you don't need to fry them in a lot of oil. So do not place your bakes in a lot of oil when you add baking powder. Now here you have your nice golden brown bakes, your Bajan bakes. Early in the morning, you have your early morning bakes, the Bajan way. This is Bajan bakes for you. As I said, you can join me on my page on Facebook, Good Old Bajan Cooking Group, or you can join me on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.